Can you add a transaction to Rocket Money? It's a question I've been asked a lot lately. And the answer is, it depends. Let's break down why it's not a straightforward yes or no. Understanding Rocket Money. First things first, for those who might be new to Rocket Money, it's essentially a personal finance app designed to help you track your spending, identify savings opportunities, and even negotiate bills. Think of it as your financial sidekick. The importance of accurate data. The core of Rocket Money's functionality relies on accurate financial data. This means it needs to know where your money is going and coming from. That's where transactions come into play. Automatic versus manual transactions. Rocket Money typically excels at automatically syncing transactions from connected bank accounts. This means you don't have to manually input every purchase or payment. However, there are instances where manual input might be necessary. When manual input is required. Here are some common scenarios where you might need to add a transaction manually. Unlinked accounts. If you have a bank account or credit card that Rocket Money hasn't automatically connected to, you'll need to manually input transactions from those accounts. Cash transactions. Since Rocket Money can't track cash payments, you'll need to manually add these to your budget. One-time payments. For payments that don't occur regularly, like donations or gifts, manual input is often the best way to keep your records accurate. Errors in automatic sync. Sometimes, automatic syncing can go awry. If you notice a missing or incorrect transaction, you can manually adjust it. How to add a transaction manually. The process for adding a transaction manually is usually pretty straightforward. Most personal finance apps, including Rocket Money, have a similar interface. You'll typically need to specify date, when the transaction occurred. Category, the category the transaction falls under, e.g., groceries, dining out. Amount, the total cost of the transaction. Payee, who you paid the money to. Payment method, how you paid, e.g., debit card, cash. Tips for accurate manual input. Here are a few tips to ensure your manual transactions are accurate and helpful. Be consistent. Use the same categories and payment methods consistently for similar transactions. Add notes. If necessary, add notes to clarify the transaction's purpose. Review regularly. Periodically review your manually added transactions to ensure they're correct. Benefits of manual input. While automatic syncing is convenient, manual input can also be beneficial. Greater control. You have more control over your financial data. Custom categories. You can create custom categories that better suit your spending habits. Enhanced accuracy. In some cases, manual input can be more accurate than automatic syncing. Conclusion. So, can you add a transaction to Rocket Money? Absolutely. Whether it's due to unlinked accounts, cash payments, or errors in automatic syncing, manual input is a valuable tool for maintaining accurate financial records. Remember, the key to getting the most out of Rocket Money is to ensure your data is as complete and accurate as possible. By combining automatic syncing with manual input, you can create a comprehensive financial picture that helps you make informed decisions about your money. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.